One of the issues with the gallery widgets in Elementor is that you cannot set custom URLs per image. So maybe if I click this image, I want it to take you to a particular page. Could even be a third-party website, could be a particular product or wherever I want. These could even be images for categories. Now, you can't do that because inside of the gallery widget, you can set a link, but that will just be to the media file or a custom URL. And the trouble is that custom URL will be the same one for all of the images. I want independent URLs per image. But don't worry, I've got your back. With a little bit of HTML, you can do that. So if I was to now click on this image, it takes me to my website and a particular anchor link. But if I click this image, it takes me to a page on my website. And if I click this image, it takes me into Google. So how did I do this? Really quickly and easily. This is just your gallery widget. You go and add in your images. Down here for the link, you're not going to have a media file. You're not going to have a custom URL. You can leave it as none. If you want to set something, you can do. But the code is basically going to overwrite and supersede all of this. And then underneath, I added in a HTML widget. First thing you want to do is go over to your image gallery. Not image gallery, well, the gallery full of images. Go to the Advanced tab and give it a CSS ID. I've called it gallery images, just one word. And then inside of the HTML widget, we are adding in some JavaScript. Over here, I've got hashtag gallery images. This is not the class name, this is the ID. Hashtag gallery images. And then here, I've gone and decided, well, where does it go? And not only that, I've also assigned an ARIA label. So this first image, and you don't have to put 1, 2, 3, 4 or N or anything like that. That first image is going to go to that URL, and this is the label. This is where the second one goes, the third one, and this is where it's now going to a page on the website. So you can do internally or externally or wherever you want, and then visit Google website. Stick your URL in, stick your label in, and this works with the Elementor gallery widget. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.